Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation video. Okay, for the first, let me introduce myself. My name is Maria Merka Meisa Putri, and you can call me Merka. Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you about my personal website and the infographic that I create to represent it. The title of my infographic is Where Personality Meets Pixels. This title reflects the idea that my website is a place where my personality, interests, and academic life are expressed through a digital platform. Or in other words, where who I am meets the world of pixels and creativity. Okay, before we go deeper, let me explain a bit about the purpose behind this project. This website was created as a part of my assignment, but beyond that, I want it to be a space to build my personal branding as a student of Office Administration Education. It's more than just a digital portfolio. It's a representation of who I am and what I do and what I aspire to become. Let's take a look at the first part of the infographic. Here, you can see a cheerful illustration that represents me welcoming visitor. Next to it, there's a short greeting. Okay, this part is meant to make my audience feel friendly and comfortable, just like meeting me for the first time. I want to make my website introduction feel warm, simple, and easy to understand, so that anyone visiting can immediately get a sense of my character and enthusiasm. Okay, moving on the next part, you can see a short explanation. In this section, I emphasize that my website isn't only a personal website and isn't only a personal space, but also a professional identity. Through this website, I aim to show you how I developing my skills and knowledge as a future professional in administration. These include communication, organization, creativity, and all of which are important in my field. The website also helped me present myself in a digital world, where having an online identity is very important for networking and the career opportunities. Next, let's talk about what's inside of my website. In the infographic, you can see a list of the main section like home, introduction, student life, hobbies, organization, and the contact. Each of these sections was designed with a specific purpose. On the home page, I introduce myself briefly, who I am and what my website is about. Then, on the introduction page, I talk more about my personality, what motivates me, and why I choose studying Office Administration Education. The student life section highlights my experience and daily activities as a student, from learning in the class to participating in campus event. I believe this gives visitor a closer look at how I balance my studies and personal development. Next, the hobby section reflects the fun side of me. Here, I share some of the things I love doing in my free time, such as meeting friends, exploring ideas, and being active in the creative activities. This section shows that even though I'm focused on the academic, I also value having a joy and balance in life. Finally, in the organization and the contact section, I include the organization I'm involved in and provide ways for people to connect with me, such as email or social media links. This makes the website not just informative but also interactive. Okay, now let's talk about the design. As you can see, I use a soft pink color palette which represents warmth, friendliness, and a positive atmosphere. The cartoon illustration at the top add a touch of creativity and help me make the website feel approachable and modern. I also use simple shapes, clear font, and a neat layout so that the information is easy to read and visual appealing. This design approach matches my personality, cheerful, optimistic, but still professional. Okay, moreover, the balance between text and visual make it easier for the visitor to understand my website is about in just a few seconds. The next is QR code in the QR code interaction. At the bottom of the infographic, you'll see a QR code. This QR code is an important element because it connects the online part of my project. Anyone who scans it can immediately visit my website and explore the content more deeply. It's a simple but powerful way to invite people to interact with me in my personal page. In the digital era, interactivity is very important, and I want my infographic to reflect that. To sum it up, this infographic and my website represent who I am, both as a student and as a growing individual. Through this project, I learned not only how to design and communicate visual, but also how to express my identity, values, and goals through digital media. Where personality meets pixels is more than just a catchy title. It's a reflection of how I connect my real world personality with the digital world. Okay, thank you so much for watching and listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoy learning about my website. And I invite you to scan the QR code to explore it for yourself. Having a great day. Thank you.